Oh, hi guys. Oh, you scared me. Oh, my video. Oh, I almost forgot to do it. Oh, sorry, roll the intro. She's vlogging every day in December. Hope you enjoy her crappy videos. You've been warned. Vlogging every day in December. This is so lame. Hi everybody, so I couldn't really think of anything to do today, so I'm going to show you a clip I haven't shown a few of my siblings the past summer, and it's a clip of my brother, Jamie, and he was taking the Benson, on one day. I don't know why I was filming, because I was bored, and I caught him in an epic sneeze face, because you know how some people, when they're about to sneeze, they make those, faces, yeah, so I caught him in an epic sneeze face. So here's the epic sneeze face. Sorry this video is really short, but I'm really tired and I can't think of anything else to do. So deal with it.
As they say, you can get a good job when you work hard. Yeah, those are all Arvin's. Jamie's pretending. They're not really. Get back, they're not really.